for this one is just again like a continuation, which is just names of cities, names of just world cities. This isn't an exhaustive list again, so don't take this, too seriously with all the cities in the world. That's just way too much, right? But this is just a list of some. So we have number one, Londres is London. Dakbayan sa Mexico is Mexico City, right? Sugbu we know as Cebu. Davao is Davao, right? Davao is Davao. Dakbayan sa Bagong York is New York City. Madrid is Madrid. Berlin, right? Berlin is Berlin. Atenas is Athens. Yeah. Istanbul is Istanbul in Turkey, right? Istanbul or is Istanbul. Peking, right? Peking is actually Beijing. Beijing is in China. Tokyo and Kyoto, they're both in Japan, so Tokyo and Kyoto. Ang Tokyo ug Kyoto. Hong Kong is still Hong Kong. Praga is Prague, which is in the Czech Republic, ang Republika Czechia, right? Or I guess they just call it Czechia now, Czechia. And Roma is Rome. Estocolmo is Stockholm. Delhi is Delhi. Oslo is Oslo in Norway, the capital city of Norway, just like Delhi is the capital city of India. And then General Santos, like Dakbayan sa General Santos is General Santos City, right? So Dakbayan sa General Santos is General Santos City. So general, remember, is a Spanish derived. It's a Spanish derived word, general. Actually, general, the word general, the way it's spelled in Spanish, it's pronounced as general, and that general gets carried over to Cebuano as general because they don't have that that fricative sound, the a pharyngeal kind of fricative sound, but it gets changed into general, which is just a whole H. And of course, we have the capital city, Manila, which is Manila. And that's just from the Spanish word Manila, because in Tagalog, Manila is Maynila, like Maynila. Alright, but that's just cities, mga siyudad ug takbayan.